Alright, we got part 3 of the forklift. Here we have removed the rear counterweight, 4-post lift, some chain, drove straight off. This giant bolt here, 1 7/8 works. It's a little bit loose, but it wasn't in there that tight. Whoops. So here's our muffler. It's totally blown out. We got a brand new one here. So we're going to pull this out of here and then swap it. And then back up right back into the weight. And I'm actually surprised that held. 4-post lift, it has a car on it already. But it lifted up fine. So, nice. And that's it. So I'll get the muffler on, and then that pretty much concludes this part of it. But if you're looking to get any kind of service back here, this is what it looks like without the weight on there. Radiator, obviously, if to change that, you gotta pull the weight off. Some grease fittings up there. Yeah, that's about it. I hope this doesn't leak. I don't know if that's like mechanical, or I can't imagine there's any kind of fluid in there that leaks. I hope not. Alright, yeah, this thing's really heavy. I can tell just by touching it and holding it that it's insanely heavy. So yeah, if you have a 4-post lift, this will get her done.